Play Store. Okay, and in this Play Store we will show you how to create account, how to download Threads app, the real Threads. Just search Threads. Okay, I just search the Threads. Now you will see what is happening. Now all the people who are telling about the Threads will come to here. Now see, here are many posts about the Threads, and no one are talking how to create, how to download Threads app. Here is the Thread. So how you can do this? You can see this is a Thread app, but no one know about the Thread. So just I'll just give a link in the description. The link will be present in the description. Just go to the threads.net. Okay, so you have to search threads.net. After threads.net, there is an option come to you. Your app. What is just search Threads. Okay, when you search the Threads Wikipedia come, you have to open. There are let's wait for a second. The Wikipedia is open, and now you have to scroll down. After scrolling down, there is a URL. Okay, you have to click on this URL. After when you click on this URL, the Threads official website will open to you, and you can download the app from that website. Just click the get app. When you click the get app, you will redirect it to the Play Store. Okay, and in this Play Store, enjoy everything about the new Threads that is come. So if you like the just click the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.